I need to know if you guys have ever seen steak at a Chinese buffet. We're gonna try it. Am I scared? Yeah, a little. Oh, very hard. A little pink. Kind of good. Tastes like jerky. Guys, I'm sorry, this knife sucks, okay? It's not me. Okay, just this little turd piece. I'm gonna say it tastes like jerky or a burger off the grill. Let's get in the middle here. Hold on. Last bite, here is the middle. It's actually soft, even though it's hard to cut. I'd give it, for Chinese buffet, I'd give it a 6 point. You know what, I have to give it high because I've never seen it before at a Chinese buffet, so I'm gonna give it a 8.2.